Howdy ho, ladies and gentlemen. I just came in the door not too long ago. I was out and about checking out a few places, shops, and stores. On the way back home, I noticed something that I absolutely felt the need to speak out on. There was a motorcycle in front of me who was not wearing any leather jackets, leather pants, and no biker boots. The only protective thing he had on was his helmet. Other than that, he just wore a regular shirt, regular pants, and for footwear, and I'm sure you've seen this a whole lot in your area, black socks with black sandals on them. Now, I've seen men and women sport that trend in convenience stores, grocery stores, gas stations, 7-Elevens, department stores, shopping malls. Everybody's doing them. Everybody's doing this trend left and right. But if you're going to ride your motorcycle, take the time to dress the proper way, especially when it comes to footwear. Who knows? You may get hit by a car. You may slip on the road. Your feet, your body could get massively fucked up. This kind of reminds me of something that me and a friend noticed while driving on Gratiot Avenue years ago when I was still in Southeast Michigan. We noticed this one motorcycle rider. It was a guy, no helmet, no shirt, let alone a jacket, no leather pants, no footwear, bare feet. The only thing he had on was just cut off jean shorts. My friend noticed this. He called the guy out saying, "This guy is an idiot. This man is a fool." Who am I to disagree? There is a phrase that pays when you're riding your Harley. Dress for the slide, not for the ride. Because who knows? As I mentioned, you could lose control of your bike and slide all across the road. You could get hit by a car. Always wear protective gear when you're riding your Harley, regardless if it was hot outside. Please. That's all I need to say. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and that notification bell. And I'll see you all tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time for a new episode of Music Maniacs. See you then, folks.